Hey there, good afternoon. It is Good Friday here in Portland, Oregon, and I am going to refinish my outdoor dining table today with a little bit of ExoShield. This is the clear ExoShield. We sell these online by the half pint for small projects like this one. So let's get started. All right, so this is my Tigerwood dining table. You can see that its color isn't too bad, but there's a pretty thick layer of pollen on there now. Lots of dirt, grime from the last 12 months since we've done this. It's about 5 in the afternoon right now, and we don't have any direct sun. But I'm going to wipe this down, and then we're going to do a refinish. Shouldn't take us long. All right, to start, I've got a wet rag that I'm going to wipe the table down with. Very small amount of soap in there. We'll see what we get for dirt and grime. She looks pretty good underneath it all. Still got pretty good color. The ExoShield itself has got a lot of UV blocker in there, so it should help maintain the color of the wood. But you do have to take care of your wood at least once a year, I've found, to keep the color looking fresh. Let's see what we got for dirt there. Let me rinse this off. So there's the table. Still got some water on there, drying off. Pretty good idea of what the color looks like. Again, I haven't touched this thing other than wiping it down since last year, about the same time. Want to make sure all that water is evaporated before we start the refinishing process here. It's not really much of a process. We're just going to wipe the oil on and wipe it off. Back in a few minutes. All right, time to get started. I have a half pint of the clear ExoShield here, which I have shaken thoroughly. And we'll open this up. Microfiber rag. Wiping it in. Okay guys, here's the finished product. You can see a little bit of checking. It's wood. It's always going to have some checking. Doesn't look all that different from last year. Maybe a touch darker. See some surface checking. Kind of hard to avoid that in wood if it's left outside year-round, as this is. But it's still beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, thank you.